Watching the flow, watching the flow. Finishing up this fade. Working in the yellow. On the back. Just trying to work it out. Thought I'd stop by, show y'all some love. Getting this cup out the door. You want to learn how to do this? You can go to the link in the bio and look for the workshop. It will be all online and you will get notes and a supply list. I am formulating the next project. And scheduling the next class. The workshop will be $35, and again that includes the supply list, the tool list, and all the supplies needed. Not the supplies, but the list of the actual items that you need. And the pattern. I like to set the stones after I have placed them. Make sure that they're where I really want them before the glue sets. I give you the information on what's the best glue for the project that we're working on. And how to prep your surface. And how to get your lines straight. I know a lot of people suffer from not knowing how to get the lines perfectly straight, but there's tricks to everything. So I covered that in the workshop. You also get a month of the group, the insider group, for free with your purchase of the workshop. The workshop most of the time is in the middle of the month, but you'll get a whole month. So you'll actually get the insiders 1 month and the second month. So you'll get 2 weeks most likely of the first month that you're having the workshop in, and then you'll also get access to the insider group for the next 2 weeks. So you can cover some other projects that are in the insider group while you're in there for the same price of the workshop. This next workshop is $35. The workshops differ price depending on the project. All right, just wanted to come on real quick and show you what I was working on and tell you about the workshop that's coming up. All right, if you'd like to, again, go to the link in the bio and look for the workshop on the website.